Greetings and welcome back to my channel. I got this 800XL on the bench and I thought I would just run through, just using this as an example of what I go through sometimes. So when I first fired this up, all voltages passed. External audio failed, the two-way clock failed. Audio was low out of the monitor port and is normal off the RF, was. So it's made in Hong Kong, so I reseated all the chips and cleaned all the sockets with some cleaner. Touched up the RF modulator, it had some shitty welds on there. I took the RF shields off because sometimes that'll short out a system. Oh, and the guy said it was freezing up, so that's the whole reason behind this. So after I did all that, the two-way clock cleared up, the external audio test cleared up. So I ran some individual tests, and I kept getting a system error 99 code that would freeze up, just like he said. Kept doing that. Yeah, so yeah, removed the shield. So that was 2 hours worth right there. So then I replaced the PIA, tested, kept freezing up. Replaced the GTIA I had. I have a bunch of chips laying around. Replaced the Antic and tested. It was starting to fail internal RAM tests, but passed the diagnostic RAM test. So it would pass it would fail the internal tests, but pass on this for whatever reason. Getting weird. It gets better. So then I replaced the MMU, the memory management unit, going into 3 hours there. And then I replaced the CPU from another used one. And then while I was in there, I removed the R57 soft focus. And then I had it apart and I figured, what the hell, I might as well just replace for the radial capacitor. So I replaced the main and two 10UF 16 volts. The main one was a 470/16, so 4 total. Clean the keyboard while it's on the bench. And it's like 8 o'clock tonight, but you get the idea. Now it's passed all tests. Hasn't froze up. Does have Micron Technologies RAM. I'm going to suggest he replaces that because that stuff sucks. It doesn't reset sometimes. And what else? So probably put in a brand new CPU in it because mine's used. I pulled it out of an old 400-800 CPU card I had laying around. But now it's stable. And now the fun starts. Now I'm going to put a Hurton on it with the Uno card. And use the SIO with the Atari S Drive S2, like 8-disc emulator. Just run a bunch of stuff on it, put a Hurton on it, play a bunch of games, see if it freezes back up. But so far so good. Anyway, that's what 8-Bit Fix goes through on a given day. You can see it's plugged into the SuperSalt diagnostic station. There's only 2 ports, so there's 2 there, 2 there. There's the voltages. Look at that. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So that's what. And the thing is that the diagnostic station did not show any errors after I resocketed all the chips and everything. So it was just a touch and go and replace a chip here and replace a chip there. Yeah, and I told the guy, hey, I only want to work on it if it's made in Hong Kong. And that would have been a nightmare had had it been partially soldered or soldered all the way. But anyways, it's solid now. It's up and running. Time to get paid. Anyways, yeah, well, thanks for watching this little quick video I thought I would do. Some are easy. Some take 5 minutes. Some you would do repairs and it will lead to other problems down the chain. So I want to tell this guy, get a brand new power supply for all these, all these repairs. And I already sent him a link for a new AV cable. So yeah, he'll be good to go. All right. Well, anyways, thanks for watching 8-Bit Fix's YouTube channel. And I think I have another STE on the way in, so I was doing some capacitor counts earlier today. Woohoo! There's a PS3000. Anyways, I'm about at the 5-minute mark. Hey, thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.